Okay, welcome to the next video. Um, I'm going to do another like KG detector video here. So I think I'm still going to use the synthetics. Um, yeah, I'll put it on in a minute. You can tell I'm a bloody Bolton fan, can't you? If you're in Bolton, definitely let me know if you want to meet up. If you're interested in washers and that, and if you're in Bolton, we can meet up if you want to. Yep, yep. I am a big Bolton fan. I don't know if there's any Bolton Wanderers addicts out there, but I am a Bolton fan. So if anyone's in Bolton or around Manchester area, do let me know and we can arrange to meet up. And also, you can always message me on Instagram if you want to meet up as well. Yeah. You can see I've got my Bolton shorts on as well. Look, another Bolton logo. Not on that one though, not on that side. Yeah. I can't tell you, they are doing really well as well at the moment, so yeah. Maybe washing these might bring them more good luck. So just bear with me, I'll just need to sort the thing out. I just need to reset this. Synthetics. I'm gonna still have it on the H2 wings. What I'm going to do is put it on the 800 spinner. So that's all set to 8 hours and 1 hour and 24 minutes. So if I start on this, see how long it takes. Can you see in the washer there? There we go, torch is on. That's better. Don't know if you can see the water level there. We'll just check the KG detector now, show you what that does. I think I forgot to put softening in, I'll do it shortly. I think it will sensor a small load today. That's what I've got in. You can tell I've got a small load in now. I'm hoping this can work. My other phone's a lot better than the last because it was muffly last time and I didn't like that when I was watching the videos back. You can see the water level there. Bloody hell, this gym ball. You can see how high the water level is there. Not very high. Just keep an eye on the kg detector. See it struggling a bit. You can hear it struggling to sense in the weight there, kilogram type thing. And it struggles to go around a bit. Now in 6 minutes. That's not its final time at the moment. I think it's going to drop again now. Come on. 51 minutes, okay. Not that bad. You can see the water level's not that high now. It's only a tiny bit in. That's 51 minutes on that synthetics.